Okay fellas, we have the good old crossable reliable Makita DHR202, and this one is working and then slowly stopping. Okay, now it's even not working. So it was working before I have turned it on, and let's check what's wrong happening with this good tool. Definitely someone was inside here. The brushes are basically out of order. You can see how the brush looks, and probably the armature will be dead. Okay, this brush is totally dead. Okay. Got the armature out, and okay, the feel basically looks good. We know that the switches are good. The brush holders we can test if the brushes can go easily. Oh, the rubber pin fell out. That's the pin. Normally I'm losing this. Okay, so for this one we can see that the armature really seen some work here, and the armature was not getting good contact with the brushes. So first thing what we need to do, we need to clean the armature very good. And what can I say about the tool? The customer was not using the grease here. Okay, let's just try to remove the armature. I will check, maybe I have the spare one. Okay, this one looks a little bit heated here, so it can be that it will not have all the strength it's needed. Okay, basically what I did here, I cleaned the commutator of the armature, and what I will do now, I will just try to put the brushes and check what the tool does here. And maybe the one thing you can check if you have the bit here. No, seems that not. Okay, so let's try to insert the armature back. No fancy shit or something. And okay, the wires are good, the switch, everything seems to be in places. In this stage, what we need to test the armature, if it runs on a full speed or not. That rubber again. Okay. Let's check if the brushes fit good. Yeah, it looks like they fit good. We'll close the caps. Okay, now all we want to hear is the smooth motor working. If not, we will know that we need a new armature. Okay, sounds not bad. I see that I have placed the direction button incorrectly. Okay, let's try to run it again. And it's a little different depending on how I'm putting the battery into the terminal. Okay, maybe now it will be more solid. Okay, so this one seems to be probably not bad. And what I need to do, I need to fix the forward and backward button on the switch. And I will assemble it, put it to the top. But I think it's repair it. Of course, it needs to get more load to check the actual working of the motor. Okay, there you can see how the motor looks, and I don't want to get the brushes out. It's not a very nice looking motor here, but I think it can last. Of course, it needs more testing. And okay, I will do that, of course. And again, made the same with the backward and forward switch. Okay, now I will hold it like that. Just pushing the armature, but I don't want to push it too much. Of course, it's easier to take the brushes out and then put the armature. I think I will do that and do not play anymore here. Okay, do we have everything set up here? Nope. Okay, the field. Now the button looks good. Do we have back and forward? Here we have it. I'll close the housing. Okay, we have the brush. It moves nicely. Of course, I need to replace the caps here with the new ones. That looks nice. have the spare caps, and yeah, this one's overheated, so we'll throw them out and use the spare ones I have. And I have used ones from the tool that is not water bearing, so just using them. And if you need new ones, you can check my online store. And they're really not expensive. Okay, so here we have it. We have some nice hammering force, so I think it's good. Consider it was fixed. Press thumbs up and bye.